Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of If This Car Could Talk. We're glad you're with us, and we know you'll enjoy this week's coverage of the incredible show that's held in late spring each year at the incomparable Benedict Castle in Riverside, California. Last Sunday, we brought you a special Father's Day edition with Megan Murphy and her heirloom 1973 Plymouth Duster. We met Megan and her family at this same show, and we have several other feature cars we found while wandering the expansive and lush grounds of this one-of-a-kind facility. We'll be bringing them to you in the coming weeks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some absolutely stunning automotive art of all genres. Now, let's go for a ride. This was a show unlike any that Dana or I have ever attended, and we've been to literally thousands over the past 40 years. Not only were all the entrants of exceptional quality, but the participants and our gracious hosts, the entire staff of the castle, were very friendly and genuinely excited to be a part of it. Many local Southern California automotive celebrities, as well as some well-known folks from far away, were all in attendance to support this charity show.
Shepherd face to life. But I've got my own giants. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. Now I need you now. Oh rock of ages, I'm standing on your faithfulness. Your faithfulness. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. Now I need you now. Oh rock of ages, I'm standing on your faithfulness. Your faithfulness. Your love never fails. You're faithful through the ages. You heard your children then. You hear your children now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You answered prayers back then, and you will answer now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You were providing then. You are providing now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You moved in power then. God moved in power now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You were a healer then. You are a healer now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You were a savior then. You are a savior now. You are the same God. You are the same God. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. Now I need you now. Oh rock of ages, I'm standing on your faithfulness. On your faithfulness. You're faithful, God. You're faithful, God. You never give up on us. You free the captives. You're freeing hearts right now. You are the same God. You are the same God.
The weather was absolutely perfect, and the show was well attended by both participants and spectators alike. Which car or cars were your favorite and why? Tell us in the comments. We've provided a link to the castle's website. Please check it out. They do a lot of inspiring work with young people suffering from substance abuse and other issues. Maybe we'll see you there next year. You won't regret it. Now join us this next Friday as we bring you even more coverage of this incredible automotive event. See you then, and remember, please be careful out there.